Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Sujata Show. Today I'm making crunchy and juicy dessert. It is also called Jalebi and Jiri. So many festivals are coming, so if you wanna make it special, you can try it out. I use this ingredient to make it. Okay, so let's start it. I got 2 cups of semolina flour. I got 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and I got 1 pinch of red food color. It's optional. And now I got 1 cup of yogurt. I'm going to mix it together. Okay, going to mix it together with water. I want a perfect batter, so I am putting little by little water at a time. So that way our batter will not too loose or not too hard. So our jalebi will be crunchy. More water, mixing. You can mix it gently, not too hardly. Yeah. So that way we will get our perfect batter. And after mixing it, I will cover and leave it for 25 to 30 minutes. So we have around 30 minutes, so we will make sugar syrup. I got a 2 cup sugar, and I got a 2 cup water, and mix it together. Yeah, mix it gently and mix it together on medium flame. Our syrup is boiling, so we will put 1 pinch of saffron, 4 crushed cardamom, and I already took a lime juice with the water. So going to mix it together and mix the syrup until the sugar fully dissolved. Now you can see it looks like it's ready. Let's check it. The syrup is too hot now, so put the little syrup in the bowl. And using my 2 fingers to make a line, and you can see, yeah, 1 line. Did you see 1 line? So our syrup is ready to go. It's been 30 minutes. Our batter is all set, and you can see the batter is not too hard and not too loose. We exactly need our batter like this. I got 1 tablespoon baking soda on it and mixing it for around 2 minutes. So that way our jalebi will be crunchy. See the batter, baking soda all mixed now, and we got a lump-free batter of flowing consistency. Now we will take our batter in this sauce box, and we will make jalebi from like that. I have 2 cups of oil on pan on medium flame, and it's time to fry the batter. I'm trying to make a round shape like this. You can make the shape bigger or smaller, it's up to you. And fry it on medium flame until it's golden brown. You can make this fry the jalebi as much as it allows. So now time to take it out. You can see it's perfect golden brown and looks like crunchy, and we will see later the result. Yeah, I took it out and I'm going to fry all the batter on the same way, you can see, like I did before. You also can make a oval shape, any like triangle or any shape you want, but I like the round shape, so I'm making all this in the round shape. Yeah, as I told you, we will do same way, all of these on medium flame. You can see it looks like perfect flame and perfect shape, everything looks perfect. So let's see the result. So the sugar syrup has to be warm or slightly hot when you dunk the fried jalebi in it. If it's too hot, due to the heat, the crisp crust of the jalebi will soften, and if it is too cold, it won't be absorbed properly. The right consistency of sugar syrup is very important. So I took all jalebi in the syrup and leave it for around 5 minutes on it. So it's been 5 minutes. I'm taking out all jalebi from the sugar syrup, and it looks like crunchy and juicy. So I'm doing this process one by one, and we will see how juicy it looks. Now see how crunchy and juicy our jalebi is. Let's try it to your home and let me know how it was. See, looks perfect for any festival. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.